Hello and welcome to a quick and easy tutorial on how to get started with Pug HTML in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so right now I am in a brand new project in Visual Studio. So before we get started, you need to have Node and NPM downloaded to get started, but you will have NPM when you download Node, so don't need to worry about that. So let's open the terminal and make sure that we have them installed. So you just type node -v, you can see there's your version, then you can say npm -v, and there's your npm. If you can see that, then you're good to go. And now we need to install the Pug SLI. So let's do that. So this is the command to install the Pug. You type, you get it from npm dash, not dash, just I for install, and then you set a flag for a global install, and the name is Pug CLI. So mine is already installed, so it's probably just going to do an update. Okay, it is done. So all you have to do now is you can just type in pug -- version, and then if you see these two lines, then it is installed correctly. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so the first thing is let's just create an empty folder anywhere you like for the project. I'm going to do it here. I'm going to call it pug example, just like that. And now back in VS Code, we just say open folder and then select the folder that you just created for your project. There is my new folder. It's called Pug Example, and then just select folder. Okay, here we are. A clean slate, nothing going on. So how do we get started? Okay, so let's create our first file. We'll call it index.pug. Okay, let's just write something so that we have something to work with. So I'll start with a small template. We can just make the name my first pug site. Take note of the indentations. These are quite important for formatting. And let's go to the body, one indent. Let's call this is my pug page, like that. And we can, let's put in a image as well, because why not? So let's find an image of a pug. Where are we going to find that? Okay. So you find your image, copy image address, and let's put it right there. Okay, that's quite a long address, but no worry. Oh my goodness. Okay, everything's fine. Okay, so here's some oh my goodness. All right, just page down, enter. Okay, everything's fine. Don't panic. Control save. Okay. Now, let me just start the server. Okay, now when we try to launch this project, say go live with the live server plugin, you'll see something doesn't look quite right. There's our index.pug folder, but it's not actually doing anything with the stuff that we wrote inside. When you click on it, it just wants to download the file. Now, what to do now? Well, you need to understand that Pug is just a processor. Your browser does not understand what Pug is. It can do anything with the .pug file. All that it does is it takes your Pug file and translates that into an HTML file. Now let's do that. Okay, so how you translate your Pug to HTML is quite simple. So you open the terminal, make sure you are in the right folder. You type in Pug and then the name of your file. So in my case, index.pug. Enter, and then you'll see it renders out our HTML file. So that is quite cool. So now our browser understands this. So with the server open, we can go back, hit refresh, and there you go. There's your Pug page with Pug. So just understand, Pug is just a processor. It's an easy way to type HTML without the brackets and stuff, and it's just easy to read. Now you'll notice that our HTML is a little bit not nice, so you can actually format that. So what you can do is you can just type in Pug index.pug with the flag P. So all that does is it processes it in a more readable form, or it formats it. So that's nice. Another trick that you can do is, instead of every time saving and then having to up arrow do this, you can create a flag so that it watches the Pug file for changes, and every time it notices change, it automatically renders an index.html file. So how you do that is quite interesting. You just say Pug, and now I need to remember. It's watch, I think, in this folder, and output. So it watches for change, and when something changes, it gives us an output. And we obviously want to format that as well, like so. Let's see if that worked. Okay, so if it now says watching index. So there you have it. Now every time, oh my goodness. Okay, this is going to, I want to just want to add something. So let's do something like this. Click me. Details. I am the best Pug. Something like that. Now when we save, it automatically renders out our file. When we go to the live server, you'll see it just updates in real time. So I am the best Pug. And that's it. That's my little intro tutorial on how to use Pug in VS Code. It's quite simple, but it's awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.